cow now. You have the cow all.
I know, hey?
Yeah.
You know, 2, 1, 2, and then 3 off the gate. That's my book. Anyways.
Oh, well, yeah, that looks
that looks good.
incredibly solid.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. See you down there. See ya.
Yeah. Awesome. I know I had trouble. Yeah, you can down climb that now.
Just wait. Yell to them how to get through here.
I don't know how I'm going to get through that.
Ooh. Holy, it looks so squeezy. Pretty quick.
Sure. Well, I'm definitely taking a few. A bunch.
Oh, honey.
Okay, it's a good example.
Nothing I'm wearing is a caribou.
Of value? Okay, yeah. How do I squeeze by?
The Helen dying?
There's cool stuff coming too.
It's so beautiful. So horrible. Oh wow, I'm gonna take off my backpack.
Oh, yeah.
It's so cool. Yeah. Head first?
No, they just go. That's wedding cake. And now Scott is going through the birth canal.
I don't know if that's...
Oh, not yet.
Oh, not yet?
We're gonna be in the mud room. And
Here's the train.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Check the climb rope, the rope and everything.
Yeah, maybe 1,000 unicorn.
Climber.
Oh,
Climber with the harness and everything.
oh, that's so
Top roping.
there's like a hamburger, a bacon burger. Like, it's
Oh, that's my favorite. A little one.
The one you're talking about.
Yes.
Can I go first? Looks like another beep.
just not great batteries. So I brought lots because it's having way more rips faster. Which I guess, like, if you were the largest cape suit company in the world, you're like, yeah, make people buy more cape suits more often. Less hot. But it also means that if you put stretch material, like if it gets caught on something, it might be more prone to ripping. But
If you're not having
I kind of accepted that.
It look like icing. Oh.
Can get to it from.
back into it.
Oh, okay.
Good to go?
Yeah, you're like wiping your body. So you're way closer to
And the pure white.
the ringer.
Yeah, that was something. It obviously doesn't get a lot of traffic because like none of the mud is all the rocks. Sharp.
This one is easier.
Yeah.
Just keep going, that's fine.
Okay.
Keep going.
You can come up here.
Okay.
Go to your right side is better. What I can see here. So when your head goes out, go to your left side. Sorry, your left side.
That's better.
Yeah, you're gonna turn here to pull yourself up. Oh, you made it! Yay! Oh, 6 feet badass. Go through the Great Canal. Yay! Congrats!
Oh my gosh.
Good job, honey.
Which one? Which one were you talking about?
Oh!
Thought there was a good chance of that happening.
Coming up to mountain. You'll be fine. It's very close to the entrance. It's gonna
I know.
rescue you. It won't take
I
you
know if I
very
get
long.
through this, then I'm good.
Yeah, yeah. For me, if my hand can go through, I can go through. I never feel my other stuff got stuck. Yeah, you got it. Yeah, got it.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you got it. Go to your left a little bit. Left, yeah. There you go. Oh, you made it. Yay.
Okay. I'm through. Okay.
I never see you so struggle about something.